Let's make these super easy no sugar muffins together. First, take a ripe banana and cut into smaller pieces. Then transfer it into a bowl and mash it well using a fork or a potato masher. Once that is done, we add in 1 egg and mix well to combine. Then we pour in our melted butter and mix again. Then add 2 tablespoons of milk and stir everything together. Next, we will go in with our all-purpose flour and mix everything together. Once that is done, we will add 2 tablespoons of honey since we are not using any sugar for this recipe. Grease the container with some butter before you transfer your mixture into it. I will now add some chocolate for the toppings. Just feel free to use any favorite topping of choice. And there we go, our delicious no sugar muffin is ready to be enjoyed. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and share it with your loved ones. See you in the next one. Bye.